he's
Come
taller
on,
than
look.
you?
Yeah.
So show that it's ground cinnamon.
Yeah, he already dropped on the floor.
Mad nervous.
Yeah, nigga, this is scary.
You know there's another hole on the other side?
There is, right?
You know, like, to share and not to share?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the other hole.
Oh boy.
He mad nervous. He taking mad
Yeah,
long.
nigga, because this is scary, nigga. That's a lot, though. Shit, that's so deep.
Bro, just throw it in the sink before you keep
Alright.
making a mess. Nobody eats cinnamon. Why would you even have that?
Go, Kevin.
God, what happened? Didn't you hear me? I told you it's physically impossible.
Ugly ass nigga.
It was nasty. Oh, shit.
Alright, stop recording.
Yo, alright, yo.
Stop recording.